breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, was me out of fear. You find me ugly and one day you'll disappear, cause what's the point of crying? It was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Boy's a liar, boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Boy's a liar, boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy.
He say that I'm good enough, but I'm not good enough. Think about shit that I shouldn't have. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause you know that it's fat. Ain't it been what it been? Calling his phone like, yo, send me a pin. Ducking my shit cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
Boy's a liar, boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Boy's a liar, boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me,
Hi guys. Yani. Wait till I glow up. Partially. We had family house to come in the not excited, but I just wanna already reach 2025. Ausinoosipo. Yes. Much more better. Let's do some edges or something. Yo, I look crusty. It's got cold. It's cold here, guys. Ooh, I slicked those ones, guys. Let me remove this because maybe I'm even being copyrighted. I don't know if this hairstyle is giving. I tried something that I don't like, so I'm doing a light makeup look. So guys, when we were passing by there, Langstrand was full. It was like packed. Listen, babe. Shoo. So I'm going to use this concealer to conceal my brows. So as we reach the end of this year, guys, like, what was the highlight of your year? Like, what did you enjoy the most? What did God do for you this year? what was your highlight of this year? I'm just making something to look good for the year that is coming. So you guys have to bear with me, okay? Is it me or today my brows look very thin? Like, I don't know, today was just very off for me, honestly. I was just clacka, everything was just clacka. I don't look my best, but I think this is worth it. Like it's something. I don't know. I cannot find the right place to put the phone in, but I will show you the final product. I love it. I just put something under my eye, like the pencil. I'm looking so tired because I worked the whole day, guys. Okay, anyways, lastly we're gonna put mascara. I've already did my edges. I don't know if you can see, but what the heck. Guys, I don't know my lashes were this long. Guys, can you see? If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. I put a black spot here, funny enough. I have one day. Okay, so I just finished with my makeup. I'm satisfied with what I have. Sorry guys, I'm satisfied with what I have. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna spend the day at the family house. I'm in a family house, but then we're in Lovies Bay at one of my family members' house. We spent New Year's Eve with my family. Okay? So I would just like to take you along so that we can all into the year together, you feel me? Tell me down below what was the highlight of your year, what you did in your year, what was the best part in your year. But yeah guys, let's spend New Year's Eve together and our new year together. I did not even show you my fit. I'm wearing this I don't know what you call it. How do you call this net type of a thingy, yeah, with a black vest under, and I'm wearing a black legging with this sandals, but it's cold in Lovies Bay, so I'm just gonna go back in my jacket and that's it. I don't know why I'm showing you guys like this. That's it. So let's get on with tonight and finish our year in a prosperous and beautiful way. I look much more better without my specs, but your girl is blind. Waiting for the year, what is it? The year-end bash to start. Since some of us, we are not night owls and we are not outside, this is what we do. In the house, we're just like, yeah. And then we run out to go check if there's fireworks, and then we come back in and we sleep. That's my life, guys. But I don't know. There will be a day that I'll go to that bed and I'll be live at that bed. And that's on period. I haven't spoken to you guys, but yeah, let's be real. Let's talk. What has God done in your life this year? What is that highlight in your life that God has done for you this year? This year, it has been constant faith for me. Like, God has been testing my faith lately. And let me just wind this down. This is literally the doings of God. Like, you are a testimony to God. I'm just saying, like, what is the what is the one thing that you can say, like, yo, like, I've actually made it through this year?
Like, there are so many events in my life I can say like that day and day. Like, I can literally testify and say like, this is the Lord. Probably you're atheist, probably you're just not an unbeliever, but there must be something, a higher super being, something must be like, yo, it was a very tough year and I made it, you know, something, man. Drop down in the comments so that you can see what was that highlight for you in your year, like in 2024, what you enjoyed in 2024. Like, guys, there's so much that happened in 2024. Yeah. Some I will share, some it's just not something that I will share. But the year was honestly just blissful. It was wonderful. It had stumbles in it, but it was like for a reason. Those stumbles that were there, they were for a reason. And I'm sorry guys, I'm tired and my eyes are red. Yeah, those stumbles were for a reason. Like, and I don't blame anyone for them, honestly. I just feel like they were there for a reason. They were there to like genuinely just teach me a lot of things in life, you know. So yeah, like I even lost someone this year. It was a very tragic death. But I don't know how to explain it, mate. But it was in a sense that I could understand why certain things were happening in that time frame in my life. But I was like, you know what? If it happened, it happened. I couldn't understand why, as to like why it happened. But then I understood at the end of the day. Oh, my lashes are too long, guys. Look at my lashes. My lashes are long. I don't even need to like put on lashes. My natural lashes. Yeah, so guys, yeah, so let's continue this day and see where this day is going to lead us. I hope we make it to 2025. See you in 2025. Guys, I'm just yapping now because I'm bored and I'm still waiting. And the event is gonna start. Man, I was so weak. Oh my god, I just like instead of the beach. But let's hit it, bro. Like, let's hit it. Next year we have to run. Like, there's no time to waste anymore. To rush and run the race and finish and walk. There's just a lot in store next year. We are within the party. Don't tell me I was not there. I was there. Okay guys, so ons het bietjie van die boereworsie hierso en dan het ons braai vleisie en dan het ons wat is die hoender vleisie en dan het ons garlic broodjie en dan het ons op skorsie. So dit is wat ons eet vanaand.
'Cause
Compliments for the new year.
let all your dreams, or at least some of them,
come true. Amen.
I really hope you play this, cause oh girl, you test my patience with all these seductive photographs and all these one-off vacations you've been taking. Clearly a lot for me to take in, it don't make sense. Young East African girl, you too busy fucking with your other man. I was trying to put you on game, put you on a plane, take you and your mama to the motherland. I could do it, maybe one day, when you figure out you're gonna need someone. When you figure out it's all right here in the city and you don't run from where we come from. That sound like poetic justice. Poetic justice. You were so new to this life, but goddamn, you got adjusted. I mean, I write poems in these songs.
Good morning, everybody. Happy New Year. Let's go to the beach.
What you doing that walk for? When I see that thing move, I just wish we would fight less and we would talk more. They say communication, save relations. I can tell, but I can never.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Oh guys, Happy New Year! Happy New Year guys. I hope you guys have a prosperous year ahead. This year is gonna be filled with a lot of laughter, a lot of growth, a lot of mental stability. We're at the beach. We were playing 30 seconds. And now we are tired. Maybe I must go show you guys the view and come back. My dad wants to go in the water, but he's contemplating because now it's cold and he's just standing. He's going or what? Guys, it's a bit cold, yeah. It's a bit chilly. Maybe I must wear something and go. Because scanty, I'm just not gonna go like it.
You looking for it, maybe call me crazy. We can both be insane. A fatal attraction is common, and what we have common is pain. I mean, you need to hear this. Love is not just a verb, and I can see power still.
Let me go get the tripod. Taking on my top, ma.
It's coherent. I can hear it. That's your heartbeat. It either caught me or it caught me. Read slow and you'll find gold mines in these lines. Sincerely, yours truly. And right before you go blind, P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what a justice. Put it in a song.
Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin bag, hold 5, 6 figures. Stripes on my ass, so he call his pussy tigger. Fucking on a scamming ass, rich ass nigga. Same group of bitches, ain't no ass to the
Happy New Year! Bo 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 bo! I think I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. We are going home now.